All right, room 3507 at the Villa del Palmar Flamingos. It's a nice view, mountain view, really nice. You know, we're not looking down at a parking lot or anything. 5th floor. Let's go on inside. Okay, so you come in here, you do have a little kitchenette area. So you've got a fridge, microwave, a little burner there, sink, cupboards, toaster, coffee maker, that kind of stuff. Come around the corner and you do have a washroom. Got a nice tiled-in shower, toilet, vanity, that kind of stuff. You do have a closet. In your closet, you got everything you want in your hotel room. Place to hang your clothes, extra pillows, iron, safe. You can put your luggage on. With the big king-size bed. The decor is really nice, very like Mexican feeling. So, which is nice. Doesn't feel like we're in the States or anything. And then you got your TV in this nice kind of hutch, or what with this cabinet, whatever it's called. Little desk area. Yeah, couch, that's nice. Big patio. Really big. And you've got a roof, so if it's raining or anything, you're good. This table to sit, have breakfast on, play cards. And this room looks over the pool and kind of the main area where you come out of the lobby. Really nice. Beautiful day here.
Love it.
Beautiful day. Say hi.
Hi.